Once here again, we are checking for the continuity, what we call continuity. Okay, let me, you see, when you pick, maybe assuming you have a cable, maybe a long cable, a very long cable, and then you don't know whether it's working or not, and maybe you might want to use it for some, maybe for some purpose, I don't know, you use a cable, you don't know whether this cable is working fully or not, or it's having some kind of breakages or breakings in it. So we want to test whether to check whether it's working appropriately or properly. Okay, so how do we check it, whether this cable, because one of them is indicating this metallic side, and then the other one the metallic inside. Okay, and then the pin inside. Each of them have their own purpose and what they does. Okay, so we'll be checking them one after the other. Okay, so here is the cable. So what we need to do is we need to regulate this or turn this over to this symbol. Okay, this symbol is called a continuity, and then diode. So we are checking the continuity in this cable. What should we do? We place one here. It doesn't matter negative or positive. Place one at the end of this cable, and then place one here. Here is not there. So let me see first. Let's first check. You see, anytime it touches, it beeping. This beeping means it's working. The beeping means it's working. So if that's the case, we have to place. It touches it, we place it. Let me use this one. We place it here. We place it here. And then we place the other one here first. I don't know which is which. Then we place the inner one. Okay, meaning this one is connected to the white one is connected to the inner this side. Okay, so it's beeping. Okay, so if that's the case, we finish testing this one. It's working. Let's move to the other one. Let's go to the black side and then come here first. Okay, meaning this black is connected to this outer one. Okay, the white one, the inner one, and then the black one, the outer. Okay, so then let's go for the red side and see. Let's see, there is a metal inside. Okay, that one is working. Okay, meaning the cable is not like it's working. So that's how we check what we call continuity. Okay, and if you're having some kind of long cable and you want to see whether the cable is still useful or it will be useful to you one day, then you check it and then keep it. Okay, I don't know what kind of cable that might be, or you are a technical or a technician, you want to check for something and then see whether it's working or not. That's how we go about it. Okay, so that's just by the way. See you next time. Okay, bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and then on Facebook or TikTok, share, follow for more, and then like the video and share. Okay, see you next time. I get your back covered in tech. No case the tech guard. Bye.